So what is spiritualism, right? Everybody talks about it. Some people see it as a religious practice, and other people just see it as a belief that there is communication from loved ones on the other side. So it's important to understand that if you're working as a psychic medium, that you're not necessarily a spiritualist. You don't have to switch to that religious belief. But you should know about spiritualism and what it's about. It's good to be educated on a religion that has a lot of basis in exactly what you are doing. If you are working with psychic energy, if you're working with loved ones from the other side, it's good to have a base knowledge and education about spiritualism. So I hope you enjoy my lecture. I will cover in depth the belief and the science and the philosophy of spiritualism.